Yo, what is up everybody, welcome back from another banger video guys. In today's video, as you see by the title, we are checking out the new, came out like at the start of the year, but we haven't made a video, so we're making it now. This year's ASUS Rog Phone 8 Pro 8 series, and we're also going to check out the 7 series to compare them to see which one is the best phone to buy, and is it worth it to upgrade, and what is everything about these phones. So yeah guys, let's jump into it. First thing guys, as you see, the phone is launched January 18th, so yeah, they pretty much, I think, do it so it's kind of different. So the 7 came out in May and this one came out in January, so you won't really know when they do it and when they release it. But yeah, so let's pretty much check out these phones. The phone weighs at 225 grams, and the thickness is 8.9 millimeters thickness. So it's pretty, I think it's alright thickness. The 7 was definitely more thicker and it weighs more, so that's already a good sign of the 8. ASUS Rog 8. It comes in a 6.78 display size. The pixels are really good, as you see here. But as you see here, the pixels are better on the 7. Somehow, I don't know, but yeah. LTOP AMOLED 1B colors, and then 165 Hz HDR10 with 1600 nits. So really good screen. Really good resolution on the screen. It records 8K plus, and 165 Hz. That's gonna be really smooth, really fast. There should be a mode to switch it maybe back to 144 or 120, because 165 is really fast for a phone. That's like a PC level. So that's a really good thing right there from the ASUS ROG Phone 8. The 7 also has 165 HDR10 plus 1000 nits. As you see, it is using AMOLED display, but this one is using LTOP AMOLED, so it is better, but the pixels are less. So we don't know, but I'm pretty sure this is still a better resolution, better everything. 2500 nits on the 7. It really has 1500. So when you're getting better, basically, display, better brightness. They're both 50 megapixel with 8K, 16 gigabytes of RAM from both. As you see, we're just gonna put this right here so it doesn't confuse me. Yep, both 16 gigabytes of RAM. They both start at that much, and the 8 Pro goes to 24 gigs of RAM. Absolutely insane. 24 gigs of RAM is insane. But yeah, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Snapdragon's probably the best chipset in phones. But yeah, really good. 5500 milliamp hours. Really big battery. But the 7 Ultimate does have a bigger battery. Does that mean better results? You never know. They both come in 5G, but this 8 Pro can go to 1 terabyte. So if you need a 1 terabyte, I don't think so anyone needs that. 512 is really so much, even for a phone. Yeah. Other than that, the phone is really good. The Antutu performance is really good also. It's absolutely insane. The bench results on 163 FPS. On this one, it is 107. So big difference in Geekbench results. Really big. Really big. Speakers, apparently the 7 Ultimate is very good. So, and this one is just good. So, pretty much, yeah. Battery is 14 hours and 14 hours and 43 minutes, and the 7 Ultimate has 1 hour 30. So you are getting a better battery that is gonna last longer, but you're getting a less battery capacity. So over years, the battery is gonna die out quicker than the 7 Ultimate, but this one has a faster, so it's pretty much the same, but it's real close. So if you have the ROG 7 Ultimate, do not upgrade. It is a bit better performances there and there, but 7 Ultimate is still really good. If you want to buy the 7 Ultimate, it is going to be costing you around that much, so it is pretty expensive, as you see. And the ROG 8 Pro is going to cost you around 1.4 and upwards. It depends what basically store. But if you're getting them around $100, maybe $150 difference, just get the 8 Pro. You're getting big upgrades. So yeah, pretty much it. Now the 7 Ultimates and the 8. Here we go. Which one is better on this side? As you see, they're both 6.7-inch display. Better pixels on the 7, as you see. And as you see, both basically the same resolution. Bit better pixels on the 7. Both 50 megapixels. Both 8K recording. Both 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM choices. But this one, the 8 has a newer gen. 5,500 milliamp hours. And then 6,000 milliamp hours on the ASUS Rog 7. Display, AMOLED 1B colors, 165 Hz, HDR10, 1.5, 1,500 nits. Really good, really good. 2,500 hits on this one. Geekbench results, 131 hours. 14 hours and 51 minutes for a new battery. And for this one, I don't know why it doesn't say it, but it will probably be better. We don't have any Geekbench results on this one, so we don't know, but it will probably be better. But straight up, I'm gonna tell you this now. This is worse. So if you have a 7, just stay with the 7. Not gonna lie. With the 8, there's not much differences. Same RAM, same pixels, a bit better resolution, a bit better battery, but a less capacity, as I said. Not that much differences at all, not gonna lie. So if you have a normal 7, just keep it, honestly, keep it. Do not upgrade. But the pricing, is there gonna be a change on price? 1.2 brand new, 2 point, depends on the RAM, as you see. But if you go for the 7, let's check out the 7. It's gonna cost you around 2.4. So if you're getting them at the same price, just get the 8. Because if you're getting them around like $50, $100, yeah, just get an upgrade, honestly, because it's not really worth it. But if you're getting them in a lot, like big difference of money, $200 plus, just stay with the 7, honestly. So you guys, pretty much it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll guys catch you in the next one. Peace.